To the graduating class of 2020, I just wanted to offer my heartfelt congratulations and let you know how proud I am of everything that you've accomplished. You know, we always celebrate achievements, but many times we forget to acknowledge the obstacles that we have to overcome in order to reach our goals. And I know that going to school and graduating under a global pandemic is difficult, but you did it. You demonstrated the perseverance, the resilience, and the determination in order to do it. And I'm so proud of you. And I wish you all the best in the future, and I can't wait to see what you can accomplish.
Congratulations, Fall 2020 graduates. You have made it to the first of many goals in your engineering career, despite the circumstances. So don't be afraid of what you might face in the future, and whether you're up for the challenge, because all you need to succeed is already within you. Now it's time for you to face new experiences with the knowledge that you possess. Be willing to take risk, never give up, and always trust in yourself and the power that you have to shape and change the world around you.
Hello everyone, it's Dr. Ccee. Really proud of you for getting to this point and finishing everything up. You've crossed this finish line, now it's time to move on to another one. And I know for many of you this has been a big challenge, living in this online world that we've had to be in to stay safe for the past several months. And you know, this is something that you can look back on and hopefully appreciate the skills it's taken to overcome this adversity. You know, you've had to persevere, you've had to develop perseverance through this whole process, and that's something that you can carry with you to any challenge you face in the future. So congratulations, I'm really proud of you, and I know a lot of other people are too. Look forward to seeing you when everything is settled down and it's safe to do so again. Go Pack!
Congratulations to all the graduates of 2020. While the last several months have been tough, we shouldn't forget all the obstacles you've overcome and all the good times you've had over the last several years.
You plowed through your early classes in calculus, physics, and chemistry.
You studied hard day and night.
Gazed at the bell tower.
Played frisbee in the quad.
And you met with study groups and took your design engineering classes here at Mann Hall.
You've put in so much work to get where you are. Congratulations on all you've accomplished. I look forward to seeing all the great ways that you'll make us proud you graduated from NC State.
Some of you had me for CE 305, and you might have taken additional classes with me. We greatly enjoy imparting knowledge and shaping your thinking through the classes you take with us and the interactions that we have with you in student organizations and other activities. We strive to prepare you for professional life and to give you the lifelong learning skills that will help you to always be at the forefront of practice and research. Please view this day as a new beginning, not the end of your relationship with our department and NC State. If we can be of assistance to you through classes, research, or general guidance, please reach out to us and ask. We're always eager to ensure that you, as our alumni, are as prepared as possible for lifelong professional challenges that you will face in the years ahead. Thank you very much for listening. Good luck, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you for the opportunities that we've had to interact in the classroom, with student organizations, with study abroad, or even just casual conversations that we may have had along the way as you've obtained your undergraduate degree. Those have been my pleasure and honor to be able to have with each of you, and I thank you. Additionally, at this point, congratulations are in order. You have all worked very hard along with those who have been in support of you. It has not been an easy task and certainly not an easy journey, and it has not been the one that you expected or had originally planned for. But despite those obstacles, y'all have achieved this milestone, and I wish to say in the greatest sincerity, congratulations.
Hi there, graduates. I just wanted to let you know that I am so proud of you. You're kind of a big dill. I'm so glad that you used your noodle to get through our program. You snailed it. Taco, about a bright future. I don't know what else to say, so I'll just say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Albert Einstein once said, "I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots." Hey everyone, for those of you that don't know me, whether you are fellow students, faculty, or family members, my name is Kevin Carney, and it's a real honor to be speaking in front of you here today. Because today is a day to celebrate. As of today, we've sat through about 1,800 hours of Twitter, lecture. We spent at least that amount of time on homework. We've passed well over 100 tests. We have watched NC State football lose to Clemson 4 times, but we'll let that go for now, because every moment was worth it. The experiences we've had, the lessons we've learned, inside and outside of the classroom, the relationships we've built, these are all things that we'll carry with us and remember forever. So today is a day to celebrate and be proud of what we've accomplished. The path to graduation, it wasn't always easy. Our patience was tested. Maybe there are times when we just felt like a face in the crowd. Times we struggled to drown out all that outside noise. Or times when we just couldn't find the way forward. This journey may not have always been smooth sailing. When nothing went right, sometimes we had to go left. Each one of us has our own unique story with its own twists and, well, left turns. I'd be remiss if I didn't thank my family, my friends, and my teachers for guiding me to the place I am today. But let us also remember that this is just the beginning of a long, exciting journey. Like Game of Thrones character Jon Snow, we may know nothing about what lies ahead. But what we do know is we're ready for it. We're equipped with the toolbox, the work ethic, and the critical thinking skills, not only to verify the structural integrity of Man Hall, but to go out and shape the world that we live in. As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Class of 2020, I think we can make Albert Einstein eat his words. It's been an absolute pleasure spending the last 4 years with you, and I wish you all the best. Thanks.
Welcome, everyone. The first student graduated from our department in 1895, making this our 125th year. After 125 years of in-person graduations, we will remember 2020 for many reasons, and one will be our first ever virtual graduation. My name is Morton Barlaz, and I've spent my entire 31-year academic career at NC State. I am proud and honored to serve as the head of our great department. As with all of our faculty, we have dedicated our careers to education, and we miss having you in class. It's been a long time since I've had the opportunity to see Man Hall bustling with students, and this has been a difficult year for everyone. Since it is still not safe to have a large face-to-face gathering, we created this video to help you celebrate your accomplishments. As graduates of a top department in the country, you and your families should be proud, and you have a lot to look forward to. So how do we relate everything that's happened in 2020 to engineering? New building designs with better air filtration, sampling wastewater to track disease spread at the level of a dorm, a neighborhood, or a city, designing and modifying buildings of all sorts, airports, hotels, offices, to keep people apart instead of together. And of course, supply chains and logistics for vaccine distribution as soon as we are ready. All things that we were not talking about last January, and all leading to improvements in the resilience of our infrastructure. This leads to one of the lessons that have guided the way that I organize my life, both professionally and personally. Expect the unexpected. As engineers, we love to plan and schedule, but we must also recognize that there are many things that we cannot control. Floods, earthquakes, forest fires, even the randomness of some health problems. Today you will hear from a few of our faculty and staff and students as we wish you well. We know that this is not a substitute for an in-person event, and I never thought that I would miss shaking hands with over 100 graduates as much as I do now. As I noted in my letter to each of you, we will arrange to gather in person on the Engineering Oval to celebrate as soon as it is safe to do so. Let me now introduce Dr. Rudy Saraceno, who is Associate Head for Undergraduate Programs, works behind the scenes to schedule classes without conflicts and make sure that our curricula in civil, construction, and environmental engineering provide you with the very best preparation for your careers. Thank you.
Well, here we are, celebrating the December 2020 graduating class in civil, construction, and environmental engineering from our homes. What a year it's been. In addition to the increasingly severe effects of extreme weather conditions from climate change, we have and are continuing to deal with a stressful and dynamic social and political climate. And on top of all that, COVID has led us in a very different educational climate. Speaking from the perspective of a faculty member, the transition to teaching fully online has been time-consuming and at times difficult. And I can only imagine what it is like from the student learning perspective. So today is a time to celebrate the successes leading up to this milestone in your academic career. You have all completed a rigorous and demanding program and have earned highly sought after degrees from NC State University. I am confident that you have the technical and also now the personal life skills needed to be successful. We are all so proud of your accomplishments, and I truly hope you can all enjoy some well-deserved R&R before embarking on the next stage of your career. I wish you all much success and look forward to the time when we can meet again in person to acknowledge your accomplishments. And next, here is someone else who has missed seeing you all in person. Go Pack!
Congratulations, class of 2020, and I'm so proud of all of you. I only wish that graduation could have been different. I'll miss not seeing your faces for that one last time before you leave NC State. I hope you had great memories here, especially in Mann Hall. I know you won't forget the labs I had to schedule at 6:30 p.m. or the surveying labs on Friday at 3, the classes that got full on the first day of enrollment, the ice cream socials, the study groups in Mann Hall lobby, and your favorite, the hundreds of emails that I sent you every week. Getting to know most of you over the past few years is one of the best parts of my job, and I hope that in some small way, I made your undergraduate experience a good one. Well, don't forget to keep in touch, and next semester, if you live in the area, please stop by Fitzwillard Hall, our new building on Centennial, just to say hello, and if you can't, then please just keep in touch because I'd love hearing from you. Again, good luck and congratulations. I miss you all.
Hi everyone. Congratulations on this very special day. We are extremely proud of you. We look forward to the great things you are going to accomplish. Stay in touch. Go Pack.
This has been a strange year with many unforeseen challenges. But we all, the students, faculties, and all valuable members of our beloved campus community, have and will come out of it with skills, knowledge, and perseverance. We learned by doing what has not been taught before. Thank you. Thank you for being, and thank you for doing the extraordinary. And congratulations. Congratulations for being the class that once again proved the spirit of Wolfpack.
Hi graduates. 2020 has been an unpredictable year, to say the least. But you've made it. You've proven that you can adapt to challenges, change your approach, and succeed. These are important lessons for your professional life as an engineer, as well as life in general. You're ready to go make your mark on the world, and we are excited to see your impact. Go Wolfpack.
Graduates, this has not been the road that you thought you'd be on to close out your time in CCEE. And this isn't how the faculty wanted your path to end either. We wanted to be in person in man's hallowed halls one last time and watch proudly as we watched you cross the stage at the McKimmon Center. But instead, we learned to Zoom and you bared with us. So we said funny things like, "Oh, I think I'm on mute," and "Can you see my screen?" It wasn't ideal. And yet, you persisted. You coordinated your group work entirely online and continued your clubs digitally to foster connection during these difficult times. Yes, you persisted. Some of you also faced incredible hardships. You had to move back and forth many times or have been away from your home country for far too long. Some of you lost a job or got sick or even lost loved ones. And yet, through the enormity that all this year has brought, you persisted to earn your engineering degree. And you should be so proud of this accomplishment and know that if you can do this, then you can do anything. Congratulations, graduates, and go Pack!
2020 will end soon. The pandemic will not last forever. We will move forward, and each of us will pick up the best we can where we left off, having learned many valuable lessons that will shape our lives going forward. As we pick up, hopefully we can find a way to keep what we do well and recognize where we need to improve in education, business, and our personal and familial relationships. You're the first class of graduates to emerge in this post-pandemic world, and we will rely on your talents and resilience to help us rebuild even stronger. Our needs in civil infrastructure are still there. Roads, bridges, buildings, our electrical grid, water and wastewater treatment systems, and yes, our public health system. Your class is part of the next generation of engineers that plays a key role in these societal challenges. Your time will come. Be patient, be persistent, adapt as needed, show resilience. Keep focused on your long-term goals and what you need to do to achieve those goals. This might be a time when you learn a new skill that will help you professionally. Until you start your career, ask yourselves who you might be able to help and how. It might be at home, it might be in your neighborhood, it might be helping primary or secondary or high school students with their math or science. It will be different for each of you, but you are now graduates of a top program and have a lot to contribute. Don't ever forget that. As I say to everyone I know now, I look forward to the time when we can come back together, whether it's to celebrate graduation or just simply to see the Wolfpack campus alive again with students. Until then, let's stay in touch through social media and email. We want to hear from you. Be patient. Stay healthy and safe. Help out where you can. The pack remains strong. Go Pack. All the best.